The Hnyothrap Aceh National Movement HANM Rewar Mini Circle had conducted an inspection of Lingkong village after complaints were received from residents on the high-handedness of the people of Bangladesh who are residing in the border areas of India. The HANM Rewar Mini Circle, under the leadership of its president Shaibor Nongrum, had also met the headman of Lingkong, Ramu Kongsdir, to get more details on the various unfortunate incidents happening in the area. The organization also appealed to the state government of Meghalaya to look into the matter and to immediately address the grievances of the residents of Lingkong and other border areas so as to not allow such domination by Bangladeshis on citizens of the state to take place.
Nengkong neng siap, berpau, kajung sukia ke bajur, kum nong elam jong ka, H&M Rewar Mini Circle, lingba kajung ut jeng nam, jong ki pajba nong jong sinong, jong kini ki Thain border, tiba day border bakane ka Bangladesh. Habi day bakane kajung ut jeng nam, nyimla lam da penpau kajung sukia, kum kidkhot jong ka seng. But kidkhot jong kajaj benriu idon kajing sngau ba balai kata kajing syak nyon ben jong kibreu jongi haki bordar area kamkut chu lanu ngin phai sebadai berka asam ngin phai sebadai berka ri Bangladesh ni syak nyon habrok kiliang habide berka ne kajing syak nyon ni sngau ba nakaliang jong ka sarkar kala de ben sim no kini solution but kini ki benta kiba deiban yada kamtam ya kini ki sinong kiba hap hakini ki border area kiba hap bat ka Bangladesh amar kajingker senersia let's say kalafil nadu ka sarkar hi nadu kipor kiba khamenchwa kibi sarkar kiba lalek tu kalafil hi te namar ba bun ba ki kenhun sang phalang paper kila penpau ya kani kajing bamhun kajing le jong sarkar India bom yaj ya kata kajing ker sa Indonesia lingba UDU zero line indre kajing ker jong ki kala yaj no kham chaneng ke bun kisnong khasi jongi ki bahap hakini ki border area ki la yaj sya ban kentaj lingba UDU Indonesia ki lahap no sabar jong UDU Indonesia te habide begane kawara kajing kajing jenjar hakabay syatu yagi jingtung jingtep jongki habidai bat ki tiar kitar jongki kajing ut jingnam kalami habang ipej lingba ki social media habang ipej lingba ki jing benpau jongki rangba sinong haki benta beper jongka border area hi borok kawai